Namaste and welcome to Hindu Heritage Online. Humanity has always asked three fundamental questions: who are we, why are we here, and what lies beyond our perceived reality? What if the answer has been vibrating within us all along? Sound is not just what you hear, it's what you are. In the depths of a dimly lit laboratory, a young neuroscientist named Dr. Arya Sharma stands before an array of complex brain scanning equipment. Little does she know, she's about to unravel a mystery that has puzzled philosophers and scientists for centuries. What if the ancient practice of chanting mantras is more than just a spiritual ritual? What if these sacred sounds are actually a sophisticated technology of consciousness waiting to be decoded by modern science? For thousands of years, sages and spiritual practitioners have claimed that mantras possess an extraordinary power. They spoke of sound as a primordial force capable of transforming consciousness. But until now, these claims remained in the realm of mysticism. Dr. Sharma's groundbreaking research begins to bridge an impossible gap. Using advanced neuroimaging techniques, she discovers something that challenges everything we know about sound, brain function, and human potential. When specific mantras are chanted, something extraordinary happens. The brain doesn't just respond, it transforms. Neural pathways light up in patterns never before observed. Gamma wave activity, associated with peak concentration and profound spiritual experiences, increases exponentially. Each mantra operates like a precise musical instrument, tuning the human nervous system. Different frequencies correspond to different states of consciousness. Some mantras activate the prefrontal cortex, associated with higher cognitive functions. Others stimulate the limbic system, processing emotions and memory. But here's where it gets truly mind-bending. The changes observed aren't just momentary. Consistent mantra practice appears to create lasting neuroplastic changes, literally rewiring the brain's architecture. Dr. Sharma's research suggests practical applications that could revolutionize mental health, stress management, and human potential. Imagine treating anxiety, depression, and cognitive decline not just with medication but with precise sonic frequencies. Ancient spiritual traditions always claimed that sound could heal, transform, and elevate consciousness. Modern neuroscience is now providing empirical evidence for what mystics knew millennia ago. We stand at the threshold of a new understanding. Mantras are not just words or sounds, they are a complex technology of consciousness waiting to be fully understood. The boundary between science and spirituality is dissolving, and at the heart of this transformation lies the most powerful yet most overlooked technology, sound itself. The practical takeaways are 3-minute daily mantra practice. Focus on specific sound frequencies. Observe personal neurological and emotional changes. We stand at the precipice of a new understanding, not just of science, not just of spirituality, but of consciousness itself. The most powerful technology is not outside you, it's within you. Explore the sonic code of your consciousness. The next evolution of human potential is just a sound wave or a chant away. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to continue unraveling these divine mysteries. This is Hindu Heritage Online, bridging ancient wisdom with modern understanding. Thank you.